Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I will tell you a useful AI tool to generate unlimited images for free that you can use anywhere. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe and like this video. Let's start the video.
Go to Lexica. Link given in description. Here you can see what people are making through this AI. You can copy prompt from this and use. You may also search image that already make from this AI. First click on Started and sign up with Google. Go to Generate. Here you can type prompt according to what you want to make. Below you can see negative prompt. Here you can exclude anything that you not want an image. On right side you can change size of video. And in advanced setting you can change version of Lexica. Click on Generate. Wait. It will generate for images. Let's try another prompt. Click on Generate. Let's wait. You can see how much detail this AI is providing in images. You can download image by clicking on this. Now let's try with our images. On right side you may see upload button. Click and upload any image. Write prompt like what you want to do on your image. Click on Generate. See, it has generated awesome images. You can use this tool to generate unlimited AI images. It is better than Midjourney and any other AI tool. Thank you. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe and like this video.